Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to today's video. In today's video, it is day 2 of our golf weekend. We have another 27 rounds of golf to go. This is gonna put me at 90 by the end of the day. We have 18 that we're getting ready to do now, and then 9 holes later. So it's gonna be another long day, but I'm feeling exhausted, but I'm excited to be with my boys. So let's go find them.
Aaron, day 2.
Day 2, here we go. Two-man scramble, feeling great. It's a little chilly this morning. Sun's coming up though. We got a frost delay. Should have teed off 20-30 minutes ago, but everything's gonna be okay. Gonna try and find a space on the range.
We're just gonna give it 110%. We're feeling great, ready. I slept about 37 hours in 12 hours. It was crazy.
It's a great day to have a good day.
Yeah, exactly. It's nice and breezy out. Look at this. Look at this nature. Let's get into it. Great driving, bud. All right, so the deal for the day, for this 18, we are doing a 3-team scramble. It's gonna be me and Aaron versus Josh and Jordan versus Anth and Papa Joe. It's gonna get intense out here. All right, first shots took us here. We're about what, 225? 205. All right. Aaron's probably gonna carry us over the water up there, but we'll see. Let's keep it going. Wow. Oh, way too much. Nice. Oh, that's good there. All right, competition update. Anth hit a nice chip-in birdie. Wow. We had an awful double bogey, but we're feeling good. It's still early. Second hole time. Let's go. All right, Josh and Jordan finished up. We're about 140 out. Both teams looking good. Get up there, get aggressive, be involved, be athletes. That's the sketchiest outhouse I've ever seen in my life. Let's go birdie time. After 2, Team Leone's at 1 under. Team Short Pole is at 3 over. All right, we got Papa Joe on the green. Aaron went to the right. I was right here. Anth was yonder. We need a birdie here. Big hole for the Short Pole gang.
This episode of Francesco Pollaccia is brought to you by Prime Hydration.
No, it's brought to you by the No Shot Podcast. We don't do free promos here. He doesn't need the clout. I do. All right, just some absolute dime piece shots by both of us. Team Short Pole's dominating this hole right now. We have a chance for bird. Chance for birdie. Here we go. The Lions behind us absolutely came in clutch with a par. We also left a birdie on the table and parred. So what are you guys at? Still 1 under? Yeah, so 1 under versus +3, 4-shot difference. Onto this par 5. I hate par 5s. Fun fact. Fun fact. All right, Aaron's taking us to the promised land. Eagle shots right here. Let's go. Where's Papa Joe at? Look back there, yonder. Got these geese lurking. If you don't know this, fun fact, geese are like the worst animal ever of all time. All right, huge update. The Leones had their first bogey, so it is even to +3. We're 3 strokes back, and we got a par 3 right here. Bunch of water. Looks absolutely lovely. Makeable, but hate it. Team Short Poles again with another par, and we have another bogey from the Lions. So now 2 strokes behind. They're in shambles, in their heads.
We need a momentum swimmer here.
Red free. We got a tractor downrange there. Went way left. Oh. Wow. Like I said, news on. Dead on. Never said left. All right, we got some balls there. This is me. Got a Callaway. Uh-oh. Oh, no, that wasn't mine.
All right, we've again another par, staying very consistent, but the most important thing right now,
The halfway house. We can't wait. Time to eat. The boys are getting fueled up. We got some turkey clubs in here, dude. I got a Gatorade. We got the Diet Peas. Official sponsor. That can be the official sponsor, and some pretzels. They're not ready. We were coming in fasted, no food in our system. Now we're just fueled up, ready to die. Look at that, dude. He doesn't even want to walk back here. He's in shambles. Doesn't know how to act. He knows. He has the fear in him now because he knows we're eating.
All right, we're on to hole, what is this, 11?
It's going to be 11, yes.
Yeah, we got a par 4. No, another par 4. It is +3 to +4. We are 1 stroke off. You know, I'm feeling good. Aaron's crushing the ball off the tee. I'm doing nothing off the tee, but that's expected in the scouting report. And we got some Diet Pepsi flowing now, so it's about to get bananas out here.
BP gets in the bloodstream.
It's game over, dude.
There's problems coming for the other
Always.
the other opponents.
They stand no chance.
We're what, 173 out uphill? Disrespecting my ball. Wow, you're right. Sit down, sit down.
We are officially at +4 apiece. The short poles, I told you guys from the beginning that give us time. We're gonna get a comeback going, and here we are. So now we're at a par 3. We're about to take the lead. I feel it. Do you feel it, Aaron? He feels it now.
So we went all the way from 158 out to right there.
Let's go.
Leone's got a tough shot here, but they always play these well.
We're just having a great time.
Big hole for the squad. Everybody's got a chance for eagle right now.
Tensions are high. Huge birdie for us, actually, as well as the Leones. So we're now both +3. Tensions are high. We're on to hole 15. All right, we are short on time, so we are going to finish up the 16th hole here, rendezvous with Jordan and Josh, and then we have to go to another course to play a different 9 holes. But finishing up at 16 here, we're tied, so this hole decides it all for us. All right, we've officially ended the competition at +5 each. A good draw, a strong draw, if you will. And
Jordan and Josh shot.
yeah, we got to figure out what they shot, but we're going back to the clubhouse now because we have 54 minutes to get to the next place we're going to golf at. We only have a 35-minute drive, so we gotta hustle, we gotta flow, but that might end this video. I don't know yet. Oh, dude, bars. All right, we have changed into shorts because it is hot out, but we have 30 minutes to go get to this course. Gotta go. See you there. We finally arrived, but we are ending this video here because we're gonna make a new video for this course. So drop the like, leave a comment, subscribe, all the things. Catch you in the next one. Don't forget to have a great day or night. Don't forget to keep God number 1. God bless.